So just like everything with this van build, it's not that simple. How's it going, everyone? It's Sam from Sam and Kelly's Van, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our Flatline side ladder. So we're making this video because when we were trying to install this ladder, it came with no instructions and there was no videos online that showed this exact model being installed into your van. So we're hoping to help everyone out who gets this one because I think it's getting a little bit more popular. So today we are going to be installing our Flatline side ladder, which I'm super excited about. Online it says it'll be very fast, so we'll see if it actually is true. And I'm going to unbox it for you guys. The ladder. So when building out vans, if you're doing your research, you probably hear about people using aluminum for their roof racks and their side ladders. And aluminum is great. I'm sure it would have been amazing to get, but it is on the higher end of the budget. And this company, Flatline, just heard about them recently and they are a little bit more affordable. So we decided to go with this one. And to be honest, I don't really notice much of a difference. So the first thing you need before you can even think about installing one of these side ladders is you need to get roof rail tracks for your van. Just so you guys know, these are the roof rails. They're little tracks that you put on top that you can mount it into, like so. So the ladder comes in two separate pieces, top and a bottom. And as you can see right here, you have to screw them in together. So the issue that we had right away when we first got this out of the box is there was no screw holes there is no screw holes in the bottom part. So just like everything with this van build, it's not that simple. For some reason there's holes here to drill into, but there's no holes in the connector piece. It came with these self-tapping metal screws that, you know, it's self-tapping, so supposedly you're able just to screw it in and it'll start creating the hole itself. But I haven't really had any luck with that in any past times I've ever used it, so we actually created a little pilot hole beforehand and then we used the self-tapping screws afterwards and actually made it go in really nice. It's in.
Wasn't it not even that much cheaper?
It was like $200 cheaper.
Okay.
And this is just marking the center, otherwise it will skate.
You don't want to skate.
No, you want to skate, but not when you're installing a ladder.
100%. So I'm gonna be doing a pilot hole. I'm gonna be trying to be very careful because it's a round surface. So when it's a round surface, it's very easy to like kind of move away and kick away and you start creating a hole other than where you want it. So I'm gonna be very slow and hopefully it works.
Okay.
I did not want to get out of there.
So here's the ladder. The ladder slips together in what's called bayonets. I don't know if you already saw that. You then have to drill a hole a little smaller than the shaft of this self-tapping screw, kind of blades on the end that'll cut in. You'll see it's actually drilling its own hole.
So that's why I just go, ow.
Yeah.
Careful, the drill bits get hot. And also this was very simple, but we wanted to really make sure we didn't mess this up. So just be confident. So we finally figured out how to get this onto the roof rails. And my father's gonna explain.
This is an example of why be emotionally prepared that everything you're gonna have to do is gonna be a problem. If it wasn't a problem, everybody would do it. You simply have to put these things in here and it attaches to this, and that's what holds it on. But how do you get it in? They have a rubber blocker there. They have a rubber blocker there, and the rubber blocker there also has a pin in it so that you can't even if you rip the rubber blocker off, you wouldn't be able to slide this in. This rubber blocker, if you ripped it off, you wouldn't be able to get past this rubber blocker. I don't know what their expectation is for attaching anything, but for us, we had to just use the wrench here and we just snap this rubber blocker off. And now we can screw that into this and it's gonna secure nice and tight.
There you are, madame. Catch. There we go. And it's filming.
Sketch.
All right, so sorry for the noise, but this is the time that we're doing this. So we are getting the bottom plate positioned right now.
Right, so see this is because everything is different, so it slides, and therefore you bolt it on there, and then just like before, we're gonna have to self-tap those screws and put them in.
It's done?
We did it!
It looks awesome.
Say it super loud.
It looks awesome.
Woo! So one thing I wanted to say also is when we attach the bottom plate to the van, there's 5 screws so you can put in, and the 2 screws are right over this part of the ladder, so it's a little hard to get in. So we just opted not to put those in. We got the 3 in the middle, and I've been jumping up and down. We've been driving it all around, and it is super strong, super sturdy. Obviously, if you can get these in, I definitely recommend it. But if you can't, don't worry. It's not gonna be a game changer for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps you with your build. If we had this video, this would have been probably done in about 15 or 20 minutes, but it took us a couple hours just because we really wanted to make sure we did it right, because it's a little expensive to potentially do it wrong. So we're very happy with this product. If you like these videos, definitely feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. We are building this out from scratch, and we have never built, we're not builders, so this is actually really fun and very hard for us to do. And also, if you enjoyed this, we have a new video coming out in the next few days that has this in it, plus some other fun stuff, potentially flooring, potentially some furring strips and some other fun stuff. So if you enjoyed this, we'd love to have you along for the ride, and see you guys soon. Bye. Ah!
Okay.
I don't like
That's my man.
I don't like bees.